Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers back with another parts showcase. Today we want to talk about a little bit of maintenance and a little bit of a part, right? This is actually sealant for your roof. A lot of people think they have to paint it on. We find that one of the best things you can do is use this die-core sealant. It's called lap sealant. There's two different types, okay? There's a type that kind of maintains the exact beads you put down, and then there's a type that is self-leveling. This exact one is self-leveling, so as you put it on, it's going to smooth out and kind of level itself out, right? This other one is not self-leveling. It's going to just hold its shape a little bit better. You can ask, what's the difference? Really, it's just a preference thing. Some people freak out the first time they use this because they put a little too much and it might spread out a little further, makes them a little bit nervous. Don't worry about that. You know, you're going to be using a caulking gun. Just go slowly with it. You'll figure it out. Now, why do you have to seal your roof? Number one, if you want to keep your manufacturer's warranty, roof warranty in place, you have a 12-year roof warranty. If you don't seal that roof twice a year, they're going to void your warranty. So what does that mean? Well, you bring it in, you had a leak, right? The roof failed. First thing they're going to do is inspect your roof and see if you've kept it properly sealed. If you haven't, they're going to refuse that claim. If you have kept your roof sealed, they're going to approve the claim. So again, this is like cheap insurance, okay? The other thing is, who wants the problem in the first place? I don't want to leak in my RV. I'm sure you don't want to leak in your RV. So the quickest, easiest thing to do is run up on your roof, take your lap sealant with you, caulking gun, put a very, very, very small hole in the end of this, right? As small as you can. I always like to use like a metal hanger, and then you puncture the inner seal, again, just a really small hole. Start using that caulking gun, take your time, go very, very slowly. You'll see that this beautifully covers everything the factory's already sealed. They use a very similar product, if not this exact one. Of course, they don't tell us which one because they don't want to promote a product. But you just put this everywhere the factory has sealed your roof before and you'll be in great shape. You never want to paint the whole thing. You never want to seal the whole thing. All you need is to put this exactly where the factory sealed before. If you have any other questions, give us a call. You can always talk to one of our technicians. Phone number is 877-877-4494. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook.